So we are back out at Mattel. As you can tell, the sign is still up and we still don't have the loop. Let me zoom in a little bit. We're waiting for this sign to come down so that that loop can go up. So yeah, it's still not happening. Hold please. Looks like the joists are up. I don't know what the delay is, but you can see, let me zoom in. You can see how close up the joists are where that loop has to go to that sign. Like it's a bit much. So I have to go back in videos. I'm pretty sure this loop, this joist wasn't up when we last came out here. Saw parts and pieces on the ground. This park can't happen without that sign coming down. I really would like to know what the delay is, why the company isn't taking it down, if there's some sort of argument. If anybody knows, drop it in the comments, send me the link so I can review it. Thanks. Alright, so we're back at the other end of Mattel Adventure Park. And it looks like they're getting ready for the enclosure of the track for Thomas and for Hot Wheels. So that's Thomas directly ahead of us right here. And then the offices looking good. Looks like their walls are all up. They're getting ready to enclose from what I can see. But yeah, and then the amphitheater is looking good. I cannot get any further down today because there's a game or something going on. Alright guys, so this doesn't look any different. Here's just a little bit of what they're doing on down here. You can see the offices a little bit better, but you can see they're going through enclosure phases for the Thomas the Tank Engine track. So it's looking to me like they're both gonna go in at the same entrance or similar loading docks. I don't know. Let me see. What do you guys think? Looks like the same loading docks to me, but I could be wrong. Anyway, that's the conclusion of the day. We came out here just to show you guys what's going on in construction. Don't forget to hit the like, follow, and subscribe button.